In this video, I will show you two new untapped side hustles, which you can start right now with the help of AI. The business plan is simple. You will offer two different services in two different sectors on two different platforms, which will take 2 minutes of your time every day to maximize the profits. Even beginners can do it easily, and you don't even need mid-journey for this. As you already know, there are tons of videos on YouTube about creating a kid's storybook and selling it on Amazon KDP or on Etsy Shop, which means that there is a lot of competition out there, and new sellers won't be able to generate passive income, unless you have a fresh new idea to stand out in the crowd. I spent some time in thinking about it and found out that selling AI artwork is one thing, but how about selling AI artwork as a service? Since I've earned tens of thousands of dollars in the services business, I know what I'm talking about. When we go to Etsy website and type picture to drawing in the search bar, you'll see a bunch of listings offering a service of turning a picture into a drawing. But when we search drawing to picture, we can see that there are no such services being offered on the platform. This is where you need to jump right in. You can sell it as a service to transform a kid's drawing into real art. The platform, which I'm going to share with you, can convert any rough drawing into a picture. And it can also create many different variations of an object with the click of a button. And to increase the sales, you can offer same-day delivery. This is where the AI comes into play. People would pay for it because they would love to surprise their kid with a magical experience. Let's take Etsy as an example. These guys are making thousands of dollars by selling AI artwork online. They only create a design once and earn passive income every single month. Now let's talk about the first untapped side hustle, which is offering drawing to picture service. The platform is called Roughly AI. Link is in the description. It says, dream like an artist, draw like a kid, create like a pro. Right now, it is in beta phase, but you can apply for beta access here and put your email address. Next, click on their Discord icon from the website's footer and join their community. Here, you need to introduce yourself in the general thread and also click on the waiting room. Send a personal message to this admin and inform him that you have applied for beta access, but you are not yet whitelisted. Request to approve your application. Once you get accepted, simply head back to Roughly website and sign up with the email which you used earlier to apply for beta access. Use this Google button if it was your Gmail account, or sign up with your email as it was not your Gmail account. Right after login, you will be introduced to this artboard workspace. You can choose a pencil or brush to draw your own art on the canvas, or you can simply drag and drop a drawing image on the canvas, resize it, and place it here. Then trace the drawing with the help of brush, which will draw it on the canvas underneath this image. As I told earlier, this is in beta stage. The team is working on introducing new features, such as uploading an image and then converting it easily with the click of a button. So until then, you can adapt this tracing method. Next, you can customize the image by selecting tons of different styles from the left sidebar. You can even enter a prompt here to add some more information. Next, click on Generate button, and it will generate the image as per your instructions and style. You can even add multiple artboards from here to build a storyboard as well. If you think it is missing any specific feature, simply click on the Feature Wishlist button here to see what other users are suggesting to the team and how much progress has been made. That way you will be informed on what's coming up next, or you can make a suggestion of your own. Don't worry, this is just one platform. I'll show you another platform which is also great in the second side hustle. Keep watching. So to make money from this drawing to picture service, you can do these two things. First is to go to Etsy website and sign up as a seller, create a listing similar to this, but highlight drawing to picture in the featured image. To make the featured image, simply go to Canva website and create an image like this. Just make sure it is of same size as Etsy store recommends. Next, upload your drawing image and picture and create a thumbnail with the help of Canva elements in its library. Secondly, you can go to Fiverr and sign up as a freelancer. You can select the graphic design category, but there is also a dedicated AI artist category if you want to consider. Create a compelling gig like these people and offer the service. The second side hustle is about turning a sketch into a product design. This is more geared towards corporates or brands and even startups. There are two platforms on which you can monetize this service. One is Upwork, and second is Fiverr. On Upwork, when you take a look at design and create a category from left side on Search Jobs page, you can select the product design option to find related projects. It will show you tons of recent projects which are open. You can go through the jobs and find the one which is right for you. And also on Fiverr, you can go through multiple different categories and find the one which suits you. Here is an example. This guy is offering product design service, which is starting from $100 for basic package, $200 for standard package, and $300 on premium package. The more features or designs you produce for one product, the more you can charge the clients. Just imagine this guy has made over 497 sales by offering this service. If we consider all of these as $100 sales, then he made almost $50,000 on a single gig, and has even got 6 orders in queue. I'm just showing you the potential out there. You only have to be smart and create a compelling offer by doing some research on this platform and see what fits your AI niche. So the platform for doing this work is Luna AI. You can get started with 15 free credits, and once you get your first order and make money, you can subscribe to its premium package and scale up your business by creating multiple gigs for different types of products such as industrial equipments, clothing, etc. So all you have to do is to sign up on this platform. Here you can imagine and generate your own art designs with the help of prompts. But the cool feature is this reimagined tool. Here you can upload the rough sketch image, select the type of style from the top, enter any prompt if you want to get more accurate results, and can even add a negative prompt if you want to remove anything, and then click on Generate button. After a few seconds, your product will be ready. Now here I try to generate a design from a Snicker sketch. After generating and downloading the sample design, simply click on Upscale Image from the left sidebar. Upload the downloaded image and click on Upscale Image button. Now you can download it in high resolution and detail. So you can even use this platform to convert those kids drawing images into pictures. The possibilities are endless here. You might be wondering, what if the client asks for a 3D model? It's even easier than you think. There is a platform which is Kedem 3D. It is a paid platform, and you can start a trial with just $6. It is only needed when you offer 3D in your service as well. And if yes, then sign up on this platform. On the homepage of the dashboard will be your recently created assets. To get started with the creation, head over to the Create page from left side. Here you could upload up to 6 images of a product, write a name of your asset, input the height, as well as choose your generation quality. There is also a text to 3D feature where you can put an imagination prompt to create a product picture in 2D. Once you are satisfied with the design, put a name as well as height details of the product and select the generation quality. Once the models are generated, you can access them from the home page on your dashboard, as well as in the Assets library. You can now click on Open Editor button, which will take the product into a 3D space, and here you need to set some parameters, such as polycount, etc. You can also use the Unwrap feature, which automatically creates a UV map of the model. You can compare the model with the original image and can check the dimensions of the model. There is Show Dimensions option to measure the product. There is also a Show Wireframe feature to check the topology of the model. And by clicking on Coloring Fill tool, you can color different parts of the model. So if you generate a 2D image with a prompt, you can also open it in the 3D view editor and can even check the wireframe. Once done, you can download the 3D model in your preferred formats, which are supported by almost all modern 3D desktop softwares. The best part is you can share the model directly to your client via URL. By clicking on Automatic Texturing, you can apply different textures to the model via an image. This is really cool because you don't have to learn any complex 3D software to create a custom model, when you can do it all with the help of prompts using AI. So in conclusion, I share a simple business plan to offer 2 different services in 2 different sectors on 2 different platforms to maximize the profits, as well as a pro tip for creating 3D models if the client wants it. If these side hustles are hard for you, then check out my other video in which I shared 2 other platforms which you can use for free and make passive income.